All right.
Hi, my name is Oliver Roy. I'm a licensed acupuncturist. I've been practicing for the last 11 years in various clinical settings, including a private practice, hospital setting, rehabilitation centers. I mainly specialize in Japanese abdominal acupuncture. I use laser acupuncture. I also use traditional Thai massage, tuina, and medical qigong and yoga therapy.
Okay. How about you heard about this Juska acupuncture classes? Where do you heard about it?
So I heard about it on the internet. Actually, I saw one of those charismatic videos of Dr. Zhu bringing patients back to life out of their wheelchairs and walking. So when I saw it, I said, "Wow, I have to check this out. I have to see for myself what it's all about." And also the fact that it links Western concept with Eastern concept. The fact that they use brain areas. Mixed with the meridians and the oriental theories, I thought it was very appealing mentally, stimulating mentally.
Right. These 2 days basic Juska acupuncture, what have you learned about it and then what you experienced it?
Mainly for me, the new thing is the Daoi and all the exercises and all the passion and the emotion that Dr. Zhu puts into the treatment, the way he brings positive energy and brings hope and volition to the patient, like a new will to live and get better.
Can you talk about what is the difference between the Juska acupuncture and other traditional acupuncture?
For me, the main difference is the fact that the patient is put in an active state rather than just passive, putting the needle and waiting for a miracle to happen. So the doctors who put the needle and then he puts the patient into motion, basically into active state of being, so the patient can come back in touch with his own personal power and own personal possibility of healing and getting better.
Right. So we are the organizer of Yonghua Center of Acupuncture. So what do you think about our organizations, about regarding the foods, transports, and the hotels, everything? What do you find about it? Can you give us some recommends?
I think the organization was very smooth. The day was well explained and everything was on time. The food was good also, and I appreciated the warm welcome from the whole team.
How about find the class, the environment?
Yes, the environment, the energy is very positive, and participation was good also. It was good to be able to ask questions, because sometimes with some of the Eastern doctors I had experienced before, if you ask a question, you get the big layers. And
right, I see.
This time it was very positive,
okay.
Time for questions and consideration of each individual needs of the students.
Right. Would you like to introduce your friends to come to learn the Juska acupuncture again?
Of course. I'd like to be able to share the demonstrations that we, but of course, I understand there are some limitations, but I think it would help if we would be able to share in our own networks the different demonstrations that we saw.
Right.
Maybe you have the reasons why it's best not to do it, but I think for me to see the demonstration and the different exercise, the Daoyin, is something very new for me. I think for a lot of my colleagues also it's something very new also.
Right. Would you interested to join further advanced classes?
Of course. I want to do all of them.
Right. Thank you for your time, sir.
Okay.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.